All right, here we are in our last video for the Homesnap, where we went through on how your client will download and install the app on their phones or tablets. So Homesnap is a little bit different because, as we showed in the previous two videos with on CRMLS and MLS Touch, when you shared CRMLS, for example, they downloaded the Home Spotter app, and then MLS Touch, your clients would download MLS Client. But Homesnap, they're going to download Homesnap. It's just that you have your version has these yellow bars in it, which is the Homesnap agent only section. So um, we're not going to really see a big difference here because once I can uninstall my app and then reinstall it once I share it with myself, but then it's still going to recognize me as the agent based off my phone. So I'm just going to show you like how to share it and then where they're going to be brought in a little bit of detail, but for them to install your version of the app. But just so you know, I'm going to have to delete my app, and then when I come back in, you're still going to see me. That's just because it recognizes me as the agent, okay? Based off my phone number and stuff that I'm sharing out. All right, so let's take a look here because you can see the phone number in here is the same phone number that I share with because it's my cell number. So, okay, so if we go to invite, we'll go ahead and put in the phone number. So that is 661 360-6730, and let's go ahead and send that invite. Okay, so now if we go over to my Google Voice here, and then we have our courtesy of Homesnap. All right, so if we go in and click on that link like your clients would click on, it's going to bring them over to here where it's going to say the page will open in another application, which is going to be iTunes in my case, or Google Play for Android. So I have it already open here. So I forgot. Let me go in and delete this app out of here. Whoops. But it's just going to reinstall it, and that's what I mean by it's a bit different, where the other two apps installed a separate version of the app, where this is going to, your clients are going to, both you and your clients are both going to be using the Homesnap app. It's just that you're going to have the agent version and they're going to have the client version, okay? But when I go ahead and reinstall this, it's still going to know me as the agent. But it's going to be the same process that they go through, okay? So they click the link, they're brought over here, or they're brought to the browser, which redirects them over to the App Store, whether it's Apple or Android, and then they're going to install the app. And then once they open up the app, once it finishes loading, it will be branded to you. So let's go over. And here we come. Once it loads. And if you have any questions about all this stuff, guys, just let me know. So do you want to use the location while using the app? Yeah, so we can see what homes are nearby us. Let's get started. Okay, seeing yellow. So here we talk about what I said earlier about the sections in yellow. So these yellow sections are agent-only information. So I'm going to see that because I'm the agent, obviously. And then turn on notifications. We'll just do that later. And then Homesnap, blah, blah, blah. And then for sale. So now we are in here. Now we can kind of just go to ourself. We touch on the button. We'll, we have our homes. So now me, it's going to have Richard Neville, blah, 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 blah. Where this stuff in the yellow is, the agent, my agent information, and stuff like that. Okay. So this is like some Agent Pro information, but since I have the Agent Pro app, but your clients will still, you can set your background image and you can set your image. And then this information, I believe, is just pulled in from the MLS because you're going to sign up through ChrisNet. And then you just share out your app, and then it'll be the branded app that you share with your clients. But that's the process that they'll go through in order to install it on their own phones. Thank you, everyone, and hopefully you found these useful and you've picked your favorite app, whether it's the CRMLS, the Homesnap, or the MLS Touch. Okay? And if you have any questions about this stuff, just let me know. And I'm going to follow up with one more video on how to add these links to your signature line. Thanks. Bye.